Yeah, so there's a bird chilling on my car, and I'm in downtown Cincy, you know. But it's just chilling. I don't know what to do. Like, I want to leave, but this poor birdie is just chilling on my car. Birdie, birdie, here, birdie, birdie. Hey, buddy. How about that? A bird just chilling on my car. Nothing better to do. It's a rainy day, so I understand. Just trying to get some shelter. Okay, buddy. I gotta go. I gotta go. Sorry, I gotta let you go. Alright. Doesn't want to leave, it's just chilling. What the heck? This is the closest I've ever been to a bird. Well, just a random bird anyways. Yeah. Who knows this would happen, huh? I just come back walking down the street and I just see this thing chilling on my car. Birdie! Alright. I'm gonna try and move my car now. Don't mind Pikachu right there. Alright. And we're off. Let's see what happens. Bird's like, oh my god! Why is this thing moving? Oh my god! It's still chilling in my car, what the heck? Oh my god! It still wanna move. Oh, it gone. Alright. See you, bird.